The time is 11:22. Those are magic numbers. Look at this right here. Look at this QR code. Somebody put this here. I don't want to know who. Boss Revolution. Look. Those are portals. Who's putting these portals here? It's the government. It's the government. The Illuminati. It's the time travelers. It's somebody who's painting this shit. Who's writing my name on garbage cans? I wanna know. Open up, bitches. Somebody tell me who's doing this. I can't figure it out. Am I chasing my ghost? Am I chasing my ghost? Boo. Motherfucker. Open up for the one I can. I'm just a Chickasaw. And why are these birds acting fucking crazy?